I'm 64 years old. My name is Teresa. I have been diagnosed with lung mass through CT scan of the lungs. I also have fluctuating blood pressure. Before I came here at Tree of Life Wellness Center, I was given instruction to have my CT scan of the whole abdomen and also a biopsy of a mass from my lungs. I did not push through anymore because I decided to have a treatment by natural means. That is food being my medicine, and that is through the Tree of Life Wellness Center, as recommended by a friend. I have already been given 3 kinds of pills for my blood pressure, but still my blood pressure remains fluctuating. And so here at Tree of Life Wellness Center, at the third day, my blood pressure is now controlled at 120 over 80 at almost all times, morning, lunch, and evening. I'm so thankful to God for guiding me to not to push through anymore with a medical treatment wherein I am afraid of chemo and radiation, but instead decided to have it treated naturally. I am so thankful for the Tree of Life's Wellness Center that was my resort. Thankful to God using the method that they're using for healing.